Everyone, today I am going to introduce you to a powerful and trusted trading platform used by millions worldwide, the Exness Global Trading App. What is Exness? I will give you a complete tutorial, complete introduction. So first of all, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more technical videos and trading videos, tips and tricks. Exness is an online trading app that lets you trade Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, index and more, all from your phone. It's known for tight spreads, fast execution and transparent trading conditions. The app is designed for both beginners and pro traders. Alright, offering an easy to use interface alongside advanced tools for market analysis. Come to Google Play Store and search Exness Global Trading App. Once you found that, then just download it. It has 1 million plus downloads. Alright, download the Exness app and create your account. Complete quick verification for secure deposit and withdrawals. You must need to verify. Alright, you must need to perform verification process. You can start with a demo account to practice trading risk-free using virtual funds or switch to a real account once you're ready. You must need, I recommend you please at the first you should need to use a demo practice account. Inside the app you will find live market charts with multiple time frames, technical indicators like moving average and RSI, one-click trading for fast order execution. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Exness offers flexible leverage, alright, low fees and supports multiple payments methods so you can deposit and withdraw easily. But remember, trading always involves risk, so learn, practice and trade responsibly. If you want to explore global markets right from your phone, give me Exness Global Trading App a try. You can download Global Exness app from Google Play Store, start with the demo account and see how it works for you. This is the best trading application where you can practice use demo accounts. Then once you become a professional, then you can start trading. So first of all, you should need to try Exness Global Trading App demo account. Alright, I hope this tutorial helped you very much. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.